Welcome to the Trading Code. It's your favorite trader, Giovanni, and I'm back at it again with another video. And today I discovered something crazy, guys. So in my last video, I showed you guys that you are allowed to trade futures on MT5 on a regulated broker. And guys, I just realized that I can use my MT5 bots on the futures account. So I can trade futures using my MT5 bots. Yes, so I am today showing you guys testing my News Blaster EA on futures. Okay, so you guys can see it just took a trade, guys. So in MT4 and forex, it will keep stacking trades as you guys see in my back test, but here it just keeps entering new contracts instead, but it's not going to be showing us separate positions. It's all gonna be in one position. So this is so cool and interesting to see, knowing that, hey, if you get the News Blaster EA on MT5, you definitely can trade futures. Guys, the craziest shit just happened. While I was working, like I said, I left the bot on and US30 decided to tank, and the bot literally closed the $8,000 trade on futures. Guys, I cannot make this up. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see if I can be closer. It closed at $8,000 trade right there, bruh. The account that I started at 10,000 this morning is at 15,000 already, and it's still trading right now. I have it trading on US30 and gold at the same time just to see what I can do, and it literally just tanked. It tanked and it sold that whole thing, and now we're up. Guys, I literally been up since about 7 in the morning trading. Guys, literally, it made $10,000 today. I can't even make this up. It's ridiculous. It takes losses here and there, small losses, but it makes it back up. It's crazy. This is crazy. I've never seen this done before, especially futures on MT5. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a few more features to the MT5 version of News Blaster to make it way more profitable for futures trading. And the people that got the MT4 version already are gonna get the MT5 version for free. So when I come out with the MT5 version that could trade futures, don't worry, customers are already gonna have that for free. People have already been getting great results using the News Blaster EA. I think today somebody made almost $2,000 using the News Blaster EA. So using it on futures is gonna be even crazier. But let me show you guys what regulated broker I'm using so I'm able to trade futures on MT5. So by the time this version comes out, you guys are already set up and everything ready to go. Okay guys, so this is the broker that I am using for futures. I did try other brokers, but this one accepted me the fastest and I was able to fund up the fastest, and they allow MetaTrader 5. So this is the one I recommend for now, and it's regulated, guys. It's regulated, as you guys can see. TradingView does not accept any brokers that is not regulated, so this is a regulated broker. So many different brokers and platforms, they make you pay just to trade on there. This one, it's free, as you guys can see right here. MetaTrader 5 is free, but there are different platforms that you have to pay for their data, but you don't have to with this one. And you guys can see all the different platforms that it allows you to trade on, but we're just gonna go with MT5. So let me take you guys through the sign up process. I'm not gonna lie, guys, it took me about 2 weeks to get started with this broker, because simply it's not like the brokers that we're used to where you basically sign up, you verify yourself with your identity and stuff like that, your documents, and then you basically fund up with crypto and you could basically trade that same day. Those are unregulated brokers. These brokers do not work the same. Here you have to connect your actual bank account to this broker, and then after that it takes about 2 to 3 days for the bank account to be verified. Once your bank account is verified, you then have to withdraw the money from your bank to the broker, and that takes another 1 to 3 business days. For me, it took me 3 business days, but to be honest, it took me about 2 weeks just for the process for me to be approved for my application for an account, and then for my bank to be verified, and then for my money to actually get there. So that's why I'm putting you guys on now, so that you guys can be ready, man. But once you're verified, you're good, you're in, man. And it feels safe because it's a regulated broker and you will get paid. So it's crazy knowing that this is a regulated futures broker and all the data that I'm seeing is 100% accurate. There's no manipulation in it at all. The spreads are zero. Even if you're trading on a demo account, it's 100% accurate to the live conditions. There's no affiliate program with this broker, so I guess that's why a lot of YouTubers don't push it to trade futures on MT5, whatever the case may be. But I don't care. This is how I'm trading futures on MT5 using this broker, AMP. So click the link in the description, get started, start practicing now, and get used to the movement and how to trade on futures on the MT5. But I am going to come with more breakdowns, more tutorials on, the transition from forex to futures in the next videos, guys. I hope that you guys got some value from this video. If you did, as always, like, comment, and subscribe, because I'm about to come out with a lot more futures content and how to make money in futures trading with bots, automated futures trading. Let's get it, guys. Make sure that you like and subscribe so that you guys can get all that content as soon as I drop, guys. Thank you guys always for supporting me. I'm out.